Sada watenga mulangira katukira wa bweri
Bakawese okuva mu Uganda Bureau of Statistics tusiima okutwikiriza twiga tukubale kunaku lusooka abanye nzibu tufelako baba omukyalo oyo nakulira ebya communication Jinja City. Abantu baze maina gaibwe babona abasimi bali okugera bene. Nabona agabuga mali.
Kayongo Olam.
Baba nabasimi. Yatonta tuvaawo. Ayiyo. Baba kwenteza kwekeza musado n'owe mulangira. Ayemerere mama zaniko kunguze ubuzo nokante Christine yoida baba n'abasime ni woida kumuza twese tuzabosime iname baba bala kutandika
n'ensonga eyo ni culture atera n'esaba kungania wa Busoga owekitiibwa Mafumo Richard owekitiibwa Machola atumaganya nsonga dana Osman Ahmed katukira wa Busoga buti tujja kukola mangu kulesa abadijiri ekifaananyi kiwe
My name is Godfrey Nabongo. I'm the Deputy Executive Director of Uganda Bureau of Statistics, and the purposes of this event, I'm the Deputy Census Commissioner. I've been privileged to be here to lead the team to enumerate the Kyabazinga of Busoga, who agreed when we were here earlier in the week, and he agreed that indeed enumeration will take place and he will be at the forefront as a champion to be enumerated. And we are here for the enumeration, and the team is ready interviewing him as part of the enumeration exercise. We thank the Kyabazinga for leading at the front, leading by example, and we believe all people of Busoga and all Busoga River there, they will heed the call to be enumerated so that we can know how many we are, how many people in Busoga, what they do, and determine the plans that will improve and bring development in Busoga.